Hey Insulators, I'm here with Mo Galbraith, and he owns Koala of Chattanooga, and he's located here just north of Chattanooga in Soddy Daisy. We met with him on site here to do a couple of things. First of all, we looked at his CM1500, went through and did a full maintenance on that, replaced the airlock seals, the auger wipers, and trained his crew on how to do it. And how do you think that process went?
Very well. We needed it. We have some newer guys, so they now know how to do all that. So we're in good shape and what to look for when it is in need of repair.
Yeah, and your machine was really in good condition, so you guys have been taking care of it pretty well.
We've tried. We tried.
Okay. And then we looked at its vacuum as well and made some recommendations there. So it was good to come out here and meet with you. Now, Mo, tell us a little bit about your business, what your territory looks like, and what you offer.
Like Barry said, we're based just outside of Chattanooga. We probably travel within a 60-mile radius of the city. We go down into North Georgia some, and that's pretty much the area we cover. We've been in business 3 years. Got spray foam going, fiberglass flow in. We do a lot of attic work in existing homes.
Sure. So what brought you into insulation, or did you already own an insulation company before this?
No. I'm pretty new to the insulation business. We were just kind of looking for something to do on our own, and landed on insulation. So that's good.
Yeah, it really is a good deal. It's got a bad rap out there as far as being itchy and one of the dirty jobs out there. But
we hear that a lot.
Yeah, you get beyond that. Well, see, now the competition is lower because nobody wants to do it.
Right. Yeah. No, we like getting those phone calls from people after we've been in their attics, and they can notice the difference of what we've done. So.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, thank you for having us out here.
No,
I really appreciate it.
Great. You've been great. Thank you.